Sparky Sparks here. Often I'm asked, why do you wear wigs? And the short answer is because I can. But the longer answer is that it makes me feel really put together. So today I'm in Santa Barbara and I have this cute little hat that I can take off and not have hat hair. But the hat helps protect my face and my eyes from the sun. And the wig journey has been a little bit of a steep learning curve, because when you first start wearing wigs, it certainly does feel like you have something on your head. It's not effortless. And the other thing that you get to navigate is how your friends feel. So if you're starting your wig journey, all I can say is hang in there. It gets easier. It really does. Now I wear wigs every day. I still have my own hair. It's short and fine, and I guess occasionally I'll wear it, but it's become more and more of a rarity for me to wear my own hair. I really love wearing wigs. So yesterday I was a redhead, and today I have this number on. She's called Spotlight Elite, and the Elite describes the cap, and then which was hand tied and very smooth. And then the color in this wig on the color code is 1688 or Pale Golden Honey. Also a new color for me. This is a wig that I thought I would return, believe it or not, but she has grown to be one of my favorites, and it's just kind of a nice, elegant look, especially with my hat. I love this hat, and I found this on I don't know, one of the websites for hats. It's by Furtalk, Furtalk, and it has this strap, which is great for when it's windy. It does come off, it's removable. It has little clips to remove the cord. But I like it, and when it's not windy, I just put the cord behind me. I'll show you the back on the side. So I think it looks fine. And oftentimes when I'm wearing a hat, I take this piece, tuck it behind my ear, just like that. I'll tell you, with short hair, I never wore hats. I felt like I looked like a boy. So with long hair, I'm all about hats now. So that's another reason that I enjoy wearing wigs. Keeps the sun off my head, the wig, and then the hat just looks sharp. Let me show you the whole 360. I'll show you this side too. You'll have to let me know what you think. Do you wear hats? And what kind of hats do you like to wear with your wigs? If you wear wigs, and if you wear hats, I'd love to hear. Make it a great day.